When it comes to tying the waist beads, I have several videos on my YouTube on how to tie. I
The
have
3 strands specifically.
Yeah, I do. I have it on there. I'll just probably have to send it to you. I have I tied another type of string that I don't even use anymore, elastic and 3-strand. It's the same method. It is nothing different. When it comes to tying, I'm gonna tell you, when I first started selling waist beads, I was not tying. I was so scared. I was like, you're gonna have to tie it yourself. That's really how I used to do it, because I wasn't confident. But that comes with practice. So I don't know if you want to just start practicing with string, you know, like
well, I tie them all on, but I sold I went to a market, and you know, that where I was able to sell the 3-strand ones for the first time, and I still tied them the same way I would tie the others, but it's bulky. Like, I didn't know if I was doing it wrong. And I'll check out your video. Maybe if you could send it to me, I'd appreciate it. But it just seemed like bulky.
Yeah, it is. So also, yeah, I have more than one video. Now that I've thought about it, I have more than one video of me tying 3 strands. It is going to be bulky, but what you can do is burn it. When you feel more comfortable, you can use a lighter and burn it. And then when you burn it, you press it down and seal it together. It's going to kind of get like glue a little bit. So okay. I have on a dress. I would show you mine, but I have videos on there. I'll send them to you after this is over. Yeah, so you just have to keep on doing it over and over again, but that lighter helps to melt down that thread, and then you just press it down and seal it together so it's not so bulky. But I would like to see, like, if you could like videotape yourself doing it and send it to me.
Honey, I've been